is a weird formation of white balls in that area.
Sa each para dun sa may corner pocket near the 7. O tamaan niya. Tinamaan.
Sinira na. Natawa na si Kapedji.
Will he go for it?
Ang lakas nitong pairing na to. Ay, tinapos
Went
ka
for
agad!
it. Went for it. Oh!
Nakala natin na yun na yung light at the end of the tunnel for the Mavericks nabigyan pa ng ganito. Oh, nice.
Very nice. Look at this. Look at the cue ball. Ho-ho!
Great recovery shot there from Magpantay.
Let's take this one ball at a time. Punching the 6 ball in. Getting past between that window ng 8 and 9. He's not at 10 balls na.
Yes.
Yan.
At ito na ba ang hinihiling at ang dinadasal ng Manila MSW Mavericks for tonight?
That Bluetooth continues to be a problem for Kenneth. So, a fantastic safety shot. Oh! No, sir! It's a bank shot coming from Kenneth Artilleda. Pumuputok na yung bola dun sa short range. Just behind it. Just underneath the night
Yeah.
ball. Kargado ng inside spin. Check out the bounce here. Not enough. Not enough.
By the way, he planted his cue stick dun sa east. There you go. But,
Got it!
yun pala yun. Yung tira sa 2 ball, pang top 5, yun pang top 4 na yun.
At hindi nabibiktima ng great shot syndrome si Kenneth Arpilleda.
Oo.
If you're Manila, especially if you're Coach Dennis Po, go for it, kid.
Yes.
And the shot apparently agreed.
Nagpapakitang gilas din dito sa King of the Hill, Jay.
So let's see. Uy, nasipa lang. Check this out, Doc Nicky. It's a dry break. Tingnan natin if Quezon City can hold their nerves. Oh no!
Parang kaya na hindi, no? Pang alanganin.
We shall find out very soon. No, he tried it. He tried it. Pero may konting bawi man ba kahit paano. Geronimo, shout out ulit sa iyo.
Yun na.
At eto na nga. Nakasalang. Oy, tumama sa dos. Maganda.
That's a good hit.
Good hit.
Yeah.
Saan pupunta ang pato? Tingnan mo naman kung saan lumanding.
Wow.
Itong tirang yun na halos hindi gumalaw yung dos. Feathering the 2 ball. Sending it back to where it was.
Good hit by Cap Edge on the 2, pero
Not bad, not
Yeah.
bad.
look at Raga kung how does he queuing this para itatago nito.
Itatago
There you
niya.
go.
Yun na nga. Gawan ng paraan.
2-well kick. Good right there. 7.
O
Hindi
almost
pumasok.
kung tago sa 6 yan, okay pa.
That's what he
na
did
nga.
there, AJ.
Nakatulong pa yung konting pagtama ng
Yes.
pato sa 6. But this time, I think 3 rails. 3
Oh!
sana. Yun na nga. Nako.
And-
Yes, tama yung tira nun. If ever they get this win tonight, it's gonna be 2-1. Abante na ngayon ng MSW sa ating weekly standings.
Yeah.
And if they win tomorrow's event, that seals the deal for our finals.
There you go.
Kung gaano ka-importante itong bawat tira ni Anton. Simple stun. Or pwedeng bigyan niya ng konting angle.
Oh.
Yan. Eto na to.
Nakalaan na for the Mavericks.
It is destined. Shouldn't be any problem.
There you
or
go.
whatsoever. Ay, si Panday.
Oh,
Nanonood
there you
pala.
go.
Shoutout sa'yo.
Jericho Banyares.
Binabati rin si Dean Mark Castronuevo. Pinaka-poging heartthrob ng Zambales.
There you go.
Iyon.
Sila ba ang mauna sa dalawang panalo for this week?
Drops the 8. Perfect on the final ball. Raga. Oh, may sumabog pa.
And Raga sends Manila to this win in our game number 3.
No. Muntik pang mag-scratch.
But a dry break has been awarded dito. Walang robot sa mga to. Lahat ito tao. Nakakaramdam ng kaba.
Ginamitan ng finesse. Saktong-sakto. Alam ko kung ano hiningi niya kay Papa Jesus.
Oy!
Oy! Wow!
Dun sa tinira niya na yon for the 2. Jeronimo now opting for a safety.
Dinipensahan na lang. They're hoping na lumabas ng konti. Kita yan,
Oh.
guys!
Yun nga lang, hindi ganito kalakas ang sharking nun.
Sinugal ni Jonas yung tira na yon, going long rail first.
Magagawa niya na lang dito, magpayo from the outside and pray as hard as he can.
What will Mukaybat do here for the 2? Going defense.
Makakabawi kaya siya dito sa tira for this 2 ball.
Great shot by Ducloy.
Mababa na ang shot clock. Good hit from Tito Edgy, hitting the 9 ball in the process.
Out of the 9, ginabilang. Pero Doc Nicky, yung mga madadaling tira, parang sumisikip yung butas pag ganitong ka-pressure eh.
Yes. Pero yun, no, pinakawala ni Magpantay. Yung tira na yun for the 2, nakapadiretso nga lang for the 3.
Oo.
Binatak na lang ni Doc Loy for Jonas. Magpantay singsit. And kung saan pa tinapat. There you go.
Nako. Nabitin pa.
Mm-hmm. Tank shot.
Ooh, ginabi.
Hits the jaw of the side pocket.
Let's see, a bank shot here for Baset. Oh, gets the same kind of shot. And look at the 6'9".
And that
Look
result
at the
proves
6'9". Oh no! Wow!
John Albert Repulle, happy birthday to you.
And what a classic we just saw here, Doc Nicky. This will go down in history as one of the best series we've seen in SBA. Wow!